Meaning of imperceptibly.
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 Imperceptibly. The word imperceptibly refers to something that is done or happens in a way that is so small, slight, or gradual that it is almost impossible to notice or detect. It denotes the quality of being subtle and unnoticeable. For example, a breeze blowing so gently that it is almost imperceptible, a change occurring so slowly over time that it seems imperceptible, etc. In essence, imperceptibly means happening in such a way that is difficult to discern with the naked eye or senses, often requiring extra attention or careful observation to detect.